I've got a new sharpening technique that I've just been trying out, and I'd like your help with testing whether or not it's easier than current methods. So let's have a look. The technique involves using stones in any particular variety you want: water stones, oil stones, ceramics. I've got diamond stones, that's my usual go-to. I've got a coarser one, a medium one, and I've got my leather strop. But whatever setup you use, as long as you're doing it on stones, plates, what have you, this is how it goes. You've established your primary bevel, set up for your secondary bevel. Work that as normal. Check for a burr. As soon as you've got a burr, right the way across the edge, hold the wheel steady where it is and just rotate the blade left to right a few times. Then clean it off and go on to your next stone. So moving on to the finer stone, you'd normally shorten up here the extension of the blade to get a steeper angle. A little thing that I've introduced is just add a thin shim. This is a little piece of plastic to the stone. Put the wheel on that. That raises the whole thing up and just gives you that extra little micro bevel. So you don't need to adjust the device at all. Once again, raise the burr. Shouldn't take too long. Yep, that's coming up already. That's right across. So as before, twist it side to side, like that. Clean that off. And if you went through more than 2 stones in your process, do the same every time. Raise the burr, side to side, clean off, go on to the next one, onto the next one, right the way through your sharpening regime. And of course at the end you want to take any burr off the back. You can also do that with what is the ruler trick. So again, having something just to hold the blade up a little bit. This raises a slight angle on the back and makes it easier to remove the burr, just polishing the end of the blade. And you'll see I'm also doing this on a slightly rotational basis. Pretty soon the burr's gone and you've got a sharp edge. Not massively sharp, you want to go onto the strop first. And a lot of people will stop here on a fine stone and think that it's sharp, and obviously it will cut, but it'd be much better if you do strop it. Or if you've got super fine stones, work right the way through to the final grits. So make sure that's lovely and clean before you go onto the strop. And there, it's ready to go. Now I don't particularly like to do this, but since virtually everyone else does it, it's some sort of gauge as to sharpness. That blade will now cut through thin paper, which is normally more difficult than thick paper. And no doubt it will, yeah, the hairs just ping off my hand. with no pressure, so definitely sharp.
Now, I'm not convinced that the little twist is making a difference to the performance of my sharpening, but I would love to know whether it makes any difference to yours. It could well be that it will improve yours, but certainly do let me know. Please complete the survey and add your experience to the comments below. Thanks very much. Cheerio.